Hey everybody, this is Cathy Harris, international.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Today we would like to talk about why you should mulch your garden. Why you mulch in your garden. First of all, pine straw mulch is the best mulch out there that a lot of people use. You see it around people's homes, around trees, on sidewalks and other places. Pine straw mulch is the best mulch out there. And the good thing is, at the end of the growing season, you can easily separate the mulch from the dirt, from the soil. So that's pretty easy to do. So it's a great idea if you are going to use mulch in your garden to go with the pine straw mulch. There are reasons that you need to put mulch in your garden. It holds in moisture, keeps out weeds, moderates soil temperature, keeps soil softer, keeps plants clean, and can help prevent some diseases. I have put it around all of my plants because of this 100-degree weather in my city. It's going to keep my tomato plants cooler. It's going to keep all my plants cooler. So using mulch in your garden is a great idea.